Hey, it's Lee with Madden Mobile Crew, and we're going to do the 5 premium packs right now, so let's get started. Oh, I've only got 5 items, too. What is it, just 3 gold?
Yeah.
That's terrible. Never had good luck with these, but... Haha. He's worth like 14k if you're lucky. Get something to pay for him. Nothing. I would never spend real money on these premium packs, that's for sure. Corey Writing, which I've gotten 300 times. Last one. Last pack luck here, come on. And nothing. So there's the 5 premium packs. If you don't have a lot of money, I don't recommend buying them. You're better off buying pro packs, because chances are they'll stink. Alright, so follow us on Instagram, Madden Mobile Crew, Twitter, Madden Mobile CRW, and watch for more videos. Like and subscribe.